lately I just felt like I have so much to do with no plan at all. I feel like I just have so much to do that I procrastinate and I just end up doing none of it. And week after week, I keep telling myself next week will be different. But this month, instead of complaining with no action or just plain up ignoring it, we're gonna do something about it and actually fix it. But first, let's go make a matcha. Now that I have my blueberry matcha, the first step is to clean and reset my space, because there's no way I'm getting my life together in a messy room. And I'm not even gonna lie, it's bad. Like, it's bad. And I know you're probably like, girl, that's bad, but you can't even see all of it. Like, it is so bad. So let's get to cleaning, I guess. Like, this is what I mean by there's so much to do that I just end up doing nothing, because like right now my room is so bad off, like so bad right now that I'm looking around and I'm like, where do I even start? Like, it's so bad. But you know what, we're gonna start, and I think I'm gonna start with getting this big old mattress out of here, because I have 2 mattresses in my room right now, but my room is not big enough to have 2 mattresses in here. So I think that's where I'm gonna start, because I also need to wash my sheets, and as they wash I'm probably gonna start picking up all the other stuff. There's so much junk, like I'm gonna have to vacuum. It's time to start creating my vision for April. I really want to set new goals and habits, but most of all, I really want to have a plan for this month. I've just had so many things and ideas just sitting in my mind, and it's really starting to stress me out. And I feel like writing it all out and having a plan makes everything feel more manageable. I'm not trying to completely change my life overnight. I know that's not realistic at all. But for April, I just really want to focus on small habits, but making it into a routine and being consistent. I want to create a vision board, obviously set new goals and habits. In March, I was trying to do school, go to the gym, go to dance, and just trying to do YouTube, like all of these things. I was sort of just like, oh yeah, do 3 for each class today, or oh, we're going to the gym however many times this week. But I wouldn't actually plan things out. I'd just be kind of like, oh yeah, like we're doing that, oh yeah, we're doing that, and then a doctor's appointment would come up and it would mess up my schedule because I wasn't actually planning things out. But with all of that and dance and everything, it is a busy schedule. I have a really flexible schedule, I'm just not using it to its full ability. All of these things at once, but really just manage my time well. I think first things first, I'm gonna try to create some goals, so that way when I'm making my vision board, I can kind of have what I want to create that vision for. This is my Hawanichi, and this is a page I've made in the back of it for April. I'm just gonna show you guys my whole April spread because I think it's kind of cute. Definitely not an artist. I tried my best here. Obviously all the Hawanichis come with a calendar, but I'm using that for my photo of the day. And I just feel like I needed like an overview of the month somewhere, and I didn't want to stop doing my photo of the day, so I just made an extra calendar in the back. But this is what I kind of made for April. I did a theme with like oranges. Again, I'm not an artist, so my oranges definitely look a little frumpy, but this is the calendar I have made for the months, and I definitely want to try to go in there and plan out things, write out appointments, the days I dance, the days I'm trying to go to the gym, days I want to post, film, whatever. I as well made a content planner that I'm going to write down YouTube shorts that I want to make, and I'm going to try to do a video every week, so hopefully I'll get out 4 videos this April. That's my goal. But lastly, I have made a goal page in the back, so I want to physically write down my goals, but I also want to kind of mix it into a like vision board type of thing. So I'm going to print out a couple photos that align with my goals and kind of just make it into a page back here. last time I saw you guys, I printed out my photos for my goals. Please ignore though how I look right now. I just got back from a 2-day sleepover, which wasn't supposed to happen because I was gonna use my weekend to like get caught up for April, but it's fine. We still have a day or two, so it's fine. I'm just really tired. But I think the last time I saw you guys, I printed out these and that's where I kind of ended off. Today we're gonna be making the goal page vision board. So that's what we're doing right now. April goal page turned out so cute. I was unsure at first because my doodles were looking a little like wonky and I like ripped some of the paper and it was just looking a little wonky, but I think it turned out super cute. I'm just gonna read out a couple that I put on here. I have space clean, I want to be on top of my schoolwork, more journaling, working out 5 to 6 days a week, more outdoor exercises. I want to reach 300 subscribers, so that's a big goal for me this month, is to be more consistent. I want to get a better sleep schedule, eating healthy, being better in my Bible. I think it turned out really cute. Next thing I'm probably gonna do is I have a April content planner and then I have a calendar in here. I'm just gonna try to, obviously I have no clue all of my plans and things are gonna change in April so much, but I'm just gonna go through and kind of jot down any plans, appointments, things so far that I know I'm gonna have. I already messed up. I put like my dance schedule down on the days of Easter break and I did it in pen too. I already freaking messed up. For the content planning page, I kind of just wrote a couple ideas on some sticky notes. I have the date that I want the video to be posted, what it is it's going to be posted, so like the title of what the video would be, and then I also have a section to write the date for when it would be filmed on. This will be really helpful. And then in my actual calendar, I just wrote down some events so far that I know I'm going to have. Yeah, so that's just what I did to try to help and view my month a little bit better, but this will also be something that goes on like kind of as the month goes on. Okay, it's a little while later, but now that everything else is kind of coming into place, it's time to reset myself. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of like self-care type things, and the first step for me today is gonna be an everything shower. Okay, so I just got in the shower and it was a really good shower. I am feeling like really tired right now, but I'm probably gonna do a face mask while I wait for it to dry. I think I'm gonna paint my toes, which obviously I'm not gonna like show you guys that because like it's my toes, like obviously I'm not gonna show you guys. That's what I'm gonna do right now, and then after I do that, I'm probably gonna actually do my nails. I just finished my nails and I actually really like how they turned out. It turned out really cute. It's about midnight now, so I'm definitely gonna start going to bed. I'm probably going to end the video here, and I hope you guys all enjoyed. I hope you maybe do a reset too if this video was entertaining or helpful in some type of way. And April's gonna be a great month.